what's up? You know, out here, snow. It's a good day. It is snowing in Georgia. Of course it snows in Georgia, but it's snowing in Dublin, Georgia. And it could be snowing in Waycross. So Waycross is where is south? I think it's that way. Waycross is like 5 hours that way. I've been there before, but it's like 5 hours that way. Oh, watch out! Watch out. Oh God. Oh, watch out. That's literally the second time you hit me in the eye. Minnesota. We'll see you later. Alright guys, I'm videoing left-handed, so I don't get good footage. Don't blame me, but because I got a coffee in my hand. But look, you can even hear my feet. That's pure ice. Yeah, that's pure ice. Okay.
Wait, this right here, right? Because when you walk in it, it's a little sketchy. If you step on the pipe thing, it can fall how cold it is. And we can fall in there.
Oh yeah, this part's gonna be deep.
I was trying to go in the hand.
Almost my whole boot can fit under this. It's amazing that Dublin, Georgia has got this year.
The ice, and it's turning into water.
You want me to sit down in snow? Alright guys, I'm about to sit down in snow. Oh! Feels so good. Alright guys, you can see my that's what I just said.
Ice bath. No bath. No bath.
I went in a bath. Alright guys. Look how deep this is. I know it doesn't look real deep, but that is like 5 inches. That's what the weather people said we'd get, 5 inches. Alright. What's up, guys? We're about to do this. That's whipped. No! Alright, my hand's gonna warm up.
No one you get in. Let me try to pull you. Ryan, come back. We'll see y'all later. Trying to turn it off. Can't. Bro, I can't turn this off.
Y'all are about to go sledding. Let's do this. Woo! 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 Okay? Good run.